Want to share a WhatsApp group link on your iPhone? After watching this video, you can invite others to join your group in just a few steps. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a WhatsApp group link on your iPhone easily. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap on Chat section below. Then tap on Open the Group. Now tap on the group name at the top. Now scroll down a little bit. Find the Members section. If you are an admin of this group, then only you can see the Invite to Group link option in this member section. If you're not an admin, then you won't see this option. Tap on this Invite to Group link option. Here, you will get more options like Send link via WhatsApp, Share link, Copy link, and QR code. Now, choose the method how you want to share the group link. Like I want to share this link through Share link option. Tap on Share link. A pop-up will appear. Now, choose a method to share like iMessage, Telegram, or Messenger. And that's it. This is how you can share a WhatsApp group link on your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to drop a like, and if you have any kind of questions, then write them in the comments section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.